High blood pressure affects millions of Americans, but what you eat every day can make a big difference. The DASH diet, short for dietary approaches to stop hypertension, is one of the most recommended eating plans by doctors. It naturally lowers blood pressure. Today, I'm sharing 10 easy DASH diet lunches that are low in sodium and added sugar. They're full of fiber and packed with heart-healthy nutrients. Every meal is balanced with lean protein, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats. Exactly what your heart loves. Let's start cooking. Lunch 1. Grilled chicken avocado salad bowl. This lunch is rich in potassium, healthy fats, and lean protein, all important nutrients for maintaining healthy blood pressure. Sodium, 140 milligrams, added sugar, 0G. Lunch 2. Quinoa veggie power bowl. Quinoa contains magnesium and fiber, two nutrients linked with lower blood pressure. Sodium, 120 milligrams, added sugar, 0G. Lunch 3. Turkey and hummus whole wheat wrap. Choosing low-sodium turkey keeps this DASH-friendly while still providing satisfying protein. Sodium, 220 milligrams, added sugar, 1G. Lunch 4. Mediterranean chickpea salad. Sodium, 180 milligrams, added sugar, 0G. Lunch 5. Salmon brown rice bowl. Salmon provides omega-3 fatty acids that support heart health and reduce inflammation. Sodium, 150 milligrams, added sugar, 0G. Lunch 6. Lentil vegetable soup. Sodium, 160 milligrams, added sugar, 0G. Lunch 7. Greek yogurt chicken salad. Sodium, 210 milligrams, added sugar, 3G. Lunch 8. Veggie and bean stuffed sweet potato. Sodium, 140 milligrams, added sugar, 0G. Lunch 9. Tuna avocado lettuce wraps. Sodium, 170 milligrams, added sugar, 0G. Lunch 10. DASH veggie pasta bowl. Sodium, 150 milligrams, added sugar, 0G. If you're trying to lower your blood pressure naturally, these DASH diet lunches are simple, delicious, and heart-healthy. Remember, reducing sodium, eating more vegetables, and choosing whole foods can make a huge difference for your health. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more healthy meal ideas every week.